Get unlimited access to all of our CPE courses at www.teachucomp.com/unlimited CPE.
Chapter 1. In this chapter, we'll begin our examination of business use of the home as it relates to taxation. When we think about a person using his or her home for business, most of us imagine someone sitting behind a desk in a home office. However, taxpayers are using their homes for business in a wide variety of ways. In fact, a home doesn't just mean a freestanding house in a traditional neighborhood. The IRS defines a home as a house, apartment, condominium, mobile home, boat, or any similar property which provides basic living accommodations. A home can also include separate freestanding structures on the property, like unattached garages, studios, barns, greenhouses, or other outbuildings. For tax purposes, however, a home does not include any of the taxpayer's property which is being used exclusively as a hotel, motel, inn, or similar establishment. The IRS has established several different tests that must be met in order for a taxpayer to take a deduction related to business use of his or her home. Before attempting to calculate a business deduction for use of the home, a taxpayer must be very sure that he or she meets the tests required to take such a deduction. Over the next few lessons, we'll examine the tests which demonstrate whether or not a taxpayer may qualify for a deduction related to business use of the home.
Like what you see? Get unlimited access to all of our CPE courses at www.teachucomp.com/unlimited CPE.